Hello everyone, welcome to the presentation of my project for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. So in this project too, I made a web application called Auctions. Auction is a web application that can be used to create listings, bid on those listings, comment on the listings, add the listings to Watchlist, and check out the categories. Now let's start by creating a new listing. So now I've filled the options. Let me go ahead and save the new listing. The listing has been created successfully. Now I can go ahead and add this listing to my watch list. Now one amazing thing about this web application I created is that if you're a user that's created or an auction, you cannot be able to bid on this auction. It is only your customers that can bid on it. So let me sign into another account and bid on this particular auction that I just made right now. Now I've signed in with a new account. This is the listing that I just created right now. Now you can see there's an option to bid on this listing. Let me go ahead and bid. Now when you bid with a lower price, you're being presented with an error message. Let me bid higher than the current price. Now when you bid with a higher price than the current price, you'll be presented with a success message. There's also a functionality for add-on comments, so let me do that. Comments has been successfully added. Now on the watch list you get to see all the listings that have been added to the watch list. And the watch list also provides further information, additional information, which includes if the listing is active or not active, and if the listing has been won. If the listing was won by the user will be presented with a message saying that you won this auction. Now if the user is the highest bidder at the moment, as you can see in this listing that I just created now, the user will also be presented with an information saying that you're winning this auction. The user can also decide to remove a listing from the watch list. And let's check out the categories page. In the categories page, the user gets to see all the listings under their category. By clicking on each category, you get to see all the listings under each category. When there is no listing in the category, the user will present them with this information. Now let's check out the admin site. Now in the admin site, you can see a list of the models used in this Django application, which includes the bid model, the categories model, the comments model, the listings model, and the users model. Now I can use this site administration to modify the models. Let's take, for instance, I want to add a new category to my list of categories. Now I can decide to add a new category here. Let's call it software. So let me save it. When I go back to my categories page, reload the page, you can see category named software here. Now as a user that created a listing, you can decide to close your listing. Let me close this listing that I just created right now. Now this auction has been successfully closed. And if you check out the active listings page, the auction that was recently closed is no longer here. Now this brings me to the end of this presentation. Thank you everyone.